This building, Sunset High School, was first built back in the 1920s. I'm Paris Flanagan, your San Leandro Parish reporter, and this historic building is getting an upgrade to welcome in a new generation of students. Brick by brick.
And luckily we have enough to work with to restore it back to something that you would have seen in the 1920s.
This old and rustic yet nostalgic and historic building is being restored to serve a new purpose.
Here we are at École Saint-Landry. This is going to be the new campus, or the middle school campus, that everyone will start to move into this as the school grows each year.
2 stories high.
It's actually been vacant since the early 1990s.
Despite the passage of time, much of the building's original structure remains intact.
What we're doing is we're reconsolidating some of the original wood from some of the other rooms into patches for this, so that the patches really blend away.
All this hard work is going towards transforming the former Sunset High School into a modern educational hub for École Saint-Landry, the French immersion school in Sunset. This building represents nearly 100 years of history. Not only is it getting preserved, but it's also getting rehabilitated for a new generation. Everything from a new eating space, new classrooms, and even an art room. The original windows, walls, and ceilings will undergo careful restoration to maintain the building's charm.
So this is actually a project that we worked with both the National Park Service and the State Historic Preservation Office. This is a tax credit project, so the state historic tax credits actually help make this possible for the charter school.
It's a dream come true for École Saint-Landry's principal, Lindsay Smite.
So for École Saint-Landry, the thing about us is that we, from the beginning, the idea was, how do we save this building? That's the reason we exist.
The answer, the Brick and Boardwalk campaign. This initiative gave Sunset High alumni the chance to purchase a brick or plank, permanently marking their place in the school's history. Every penny raised will go towards funding the project.
We love that we're saving a heritage language of Louisiana. We love that we're bringing life back to our community.
Now, construction on the new building is expected to be completed sometime next year, with doors opening in spring 2026. Reporting here in Sunset, I'm Paris Flanagan, your San Leandro Parish reporter, KETC TV3.